This is Chris Kelly with just a quick tutorial on your distance client workout chart. Now the first thing we want to notice with our distance client workout chart are our performance goals. Alright, with each 60-day cycle or 90-day cycle, whatever it may be, you're going to be given specific goals that we're looking for you to test at the beginning. Okay, so generally what this means is that we take a week before we start our workouts, okay, and we just test these two things, or maybe at the beginning of your workout in week 1 to see where you are. Okay, so in this example we have a deadlift, which is a 3-rep max, and a chin-up, which is the maximum number of body weights. The idea is that we test on day 1 and then we test at the end of the cycle to substantiate improvement. Okay, so just keep track of that, write it down on the back of your log, whatever it may be, and then we'll go, you can test at the end. Now the next thing to look at is our workout rep scheme. Alright, now for each exercise here we have our core circuit and then we have our exercise circuits. Alright, I'll get into those in a minute, but with our core circuit we can see we have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So this is a 4-week program and we just assign rep ranges for each week. If you can do more than 8 to 12 reps, you need to move up in difficulty somehow. Each video here for these each exercise is going to have a video that you can click on to demonstrate proper form, and that'll give you some ideas in terms of how to increase difficulty, but you just know that that's really important. Now moving on to our exercise circuit, once again we're looking for 3x 6 to 8 reps for each circuit, meaning we perform each exercise in the circuits back to back for 6 to 8 reps in each circuit 3 times. Okay, so we'll get into that in a second, but again the same idea holds true. If you can do more than 8 reps, we make things harder. Now moving on to our circuits, we have workout A and we have workout B. Okay, for workout A we're always going to start out with core or some sort of a power circuit, and with core, okay, these are just 3 exercises performed back to back in succession. So we're looking for 8 to 12 reps of each. You're able to click on each one. You would just press control, okay, and then it'll bring up a little bar or a little hand that you can click on to access a demonstration video, and you would just do that circuit, the core circuit, 8 to 12 times for each exercise, back to back 3 times. Then moving down to our exercise circuits, the way this is done is a little bit different. You'll notice that we have A1, A2, followed by B1, B2, B3, B4. A1 and A2 represent circuit A. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to perform the sumo deadlift and the mini band walk back to back 3 times for 6 to 8 reps before moving on to circuit B. Okay, so this is one circuit. These are done on their own first in the workout. When we have circuit A, those exercises are always done first, followed by circuit B. Okay, and you'll notice that circuit B is a little bit longer. So we have a split squat, a single leg bench hip lift, a single leg calf raise, and a side plank with an arm sweep. All of those 4 things are going to be done as a circuit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, back to back, 4, 6 to 8 reps. Once you're done with both circuits, the workout is over. Okay, and what you do is you just go to the date, you put the date at the top, and you're just going to list the best weight, reps, or time that you're able to achieve. So for example, if you got 3 sets of 8 reps of say 65 pounds, you know that maybe next workout you might want to increase that weight to 70 pounds. Okay, so you have 4 boxes for each workout chart. When you max that out, that's about 2 weeks right there. Just print out another one and start again. Okay, so that's what we're looking at there. We take you down a circuit or to workout B. This would be the workout that we perform the next day, and it's the same general idea. Really, the only difference here is that we have we have a C circuit. So we have A1, A2. Okay, so those 2 things are performed back to back. B1, B2. Those are going to be performed back to back, and then C1, C2, which are also performed back to back. So we've got 3 circuits there with 2 exercises each. So that might change from time to time, but as long as you understand that circuit concept, you will be good to go.